Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to file IRS Form 5695, which is used to claim residential energy credits. So this form helps lower your tax if you install things like solar panels or made energy efficient home improvements. So start at the top by entering your name and social security number exactly as shown on your tax return. Next, go to part 1 for residential clean energy credit. So in here, you'll enter the cost of items like solar, wind, geothermal, battery storage, or fuel cells if they apply to you. Add the amounts, then multiply the total by 30%. If you have any unused credit from a previous year, include it here. Then move to part 2 for energy efficient home improvements. So first answer the yes or no questions. After that, enter costs for things like insulation, doors, windows, or heating and cooling systems. So follow the limits shown on the form and calculate 30% of the allowed costs. Continue to the next section where you list other energy property costs like air conditioners or water heaters. Enter the amount and follow the steps to calculate the credit. And at the end of this, total everything and apply any limits based on your tax. The final credit will be reported on your tax return, usually Schedule 3. So take your time, check your entries, and make sure all expenses qualify. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.